Persian cress. Today is the 24th of the November 2016. It's Thursday, and I cannot say how much I enjoy, how much I love it. Then I just can go in the dark, coming from the work, grabbing a few, handful of the salad greens from the vegetable patch, not polytunnel. Polytunnel ones are small yet. Just take it home and just wash it and eat. That's such a joy. That's such a beautiful thing. And okay, this is the Persian cress, as you see. Very good leaves and very quality leaves. I want to show you an example of the other kind of greens that I grow, like this oriental leaf, Mizuna. Mizuna being attacked. This is a good example of it, but most of them are really badly attacked by the all kind of creatures. They are in the same bed, the same conditions, nothing changed for them, but yet they are not as good as this Persian cress. And I'm going now to taste one, just to describe how it tastes. Okay, this is a typical leaf of a Persian cress. And I'll now taste it. The first thing you notice is that it's juicy. It's not dry. Then a nice, deep, spicy, hot taste comes to your mouth. It's deep. And then it fades and the taste of the green, you can feel it. When I compare it with something like Mizuna, which I taste now, Mizuna has a strange taste. Kind of, I cannot describe it. It's not cabbage. It's not anything. It's kind of bad smell, taste kind of thing coming out of it. It's not just these specimens. Every year I grow it, and every year it tastes the same. I already buy it from the shop. They say tastes the same. It's practically a brassica, so really you cannot expect anything other than that. But this Persian cress is really juicy. Have a hot, suddenly hot, peppery taste. And what makes it better is this juiciness of it. You can have nasturtium, which is hot, but doesn't have the juice. It's dry.